Meaning of dully.
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 dully,
Dully. Dully is an adverb that means to perform an action in a manner lacking in energy or enthusiasm, or to do something in a way that is uninteresting or monotonous. When someone does something dully, it suggests a lack of engagement or passion, as if they are just going through the motions without any real investment in what they are doing. This can result in a mediocre or uninspired outcome. In short, doing something dully indicates a lack of excitement or motivation, resulting in a lackluster end product.